The GIM ATX Gaming PC case is a budget-friendly option that boasts some impressive features, especially considering its price point. The 270-degree tempered glass panels offer a fantastic view of your components, making it perfect for showcasing your build. While fans aren't included, the case supports up to 10 120mm fans, providing ample cooling potential. You can even install a 360mm radiator in the front, a 240mm on top, and a 120mm in the rear, giving you plenty of options for liquid cooling. Compatibility with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini IDX motherboards ensures flexibility for various builds. Building in a GIM case is relatively straightforward. The spacious interior allows for easy component installation, and the cable management system helps keep things tidy. The included dust filters, including a magnetic one on top, are a welcome addition, helping to keep your system clean. The front I/O panel offers a USB 3.0 port, two USB 2.0 ports, and HD audio jacks, providing convenient connectivity. However, there are a few areas where the GIM case shows its budget nature. The tempered glass, while visually appealing, can be a fingerprint magnet. The included documentation could be more comprehensive. While the case supports numerous fans, their absence means an additional cost for optimal cooling. Also, the build quality, while decent, isn't as robust as some higher-end cases. Overall, the GIM ATX Gaming PC case offers excellent value. It's a stylish and functional case that's perfect for budget-conscious builders. The ample cooling support, tempered glass panels, and decent cable management make it a compelling option. Just be prepared to invest in fans and maybe spend a little extra time cleaning those fingerprints off the glass. If you're looking for an affordable way to showcase your build, the GIM case is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.